Let me tell you a quick story about two kitchen heroes, turmeric and black pepper. You might know turmeric as that golden spice that makes curries pop, but did you know it's been used for centuries for its powerful anti-inflammatory punch? Here's the catch though. Turmeric's star compound, curcumin, is kinda shy. It doesn't like to stick around in your body on its own. That's where black pepper steps in like a true sidekick. Black pepper contains piperine, and this little ingredient boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Yeah, you heard that right, 2,000. So when you mix turmeric and black pepper together, you're unlocking some serious health potential. Think reduced joint pain, supported immunity, and even better digestion. Some studies even hint at protection for your heart and brain. How cool is that? So how do you add this power duo to your routine? It's easy. Sprinkle them onto roasted veggies, blend into smoothies, or stir into your morning eggs. You can even whisk them into warm milk for a soothing golden latte. The best part? You don't need a ton. Just a pinch of black pepper with your turmeric does the trick. Give this combo a try and see how you feel. Sometimes the simplest things in your kitchen can make the biggest difference for your health. Stay golden and keep spicing up your wellness journey.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.